Welcome to our channel. If you want to earn free Bitcoin without investing money, follow these step-by-step instructions to accumulate small amounts of BTC through legitimate methods. Step 1. Use Bitcoin faucets like Free Bitcoin, Cointoply, or Bonus Bitcoin that give away small amounts of Satoshis for completing simple tasks or captures regularly. Step 2. Download and use the Lolly browser extension while shopping online to earn Bitcoin cashback from thousands of partner retailers automatically. Step 3. Sign up for Bitcoin cashback credit cards or debit cards like the Cash App card or Coinbase card that reward purchases with Bitcoin instead of traditional points. Step 4. Complete microtasks on platforms like Bituro or Jobs for Bitcoins, where you can earn Bitcoin by performing small jobs, testing apps, or taking surveys. Step 5. Join Bitcoin affiliate programs and earn commissions in BTC by referring new users to cryptocurrency exchanges, wallets, or Bitcoin-related services. Step 6. Participate in Bitcoin bounty programs where projects offer free Bitcoin for finding bugs, creating content, or helping with community management tasks. Step 7. Play Bitcoin games and gambling sites that offer free Satoshis through daily bonuses, loyalty programs, or promotional events without requiring deposits. Step 8. Watch Bitcoin earning videos on platforms that pay Satoshis for viewing advertisements or educational content about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.